Okay, I've just arrived at a place called La Crotoy. I hope I pronounced that correctly for everyone. This is roughly about an hour, hour and a half's drive from Calais. Now we've just crossed over from Dover to Calais and come down the coast because I don't actually like staying in the Calais area. And then tomorrow well, depending on the weather, it's a bit gloomy at the moment. And the reason I stopped here, not only is it a good location, and let me just flick this around for you. But as you will see on the map that I'll bring up on the screen, you've got the whole of the estuary here, which is absolutely a beautiful estuary when it's on a sunny day. Now, let me explain the facilities. You've got wastewater for doing your grey water tanks. You've also got fresh water, which runs for €2 for 10 minutes of water, plus you get 1 hour of electricity. And you also have a toilet cassette emptying point there as well. So I'm utilising this because my solar is doing absolutely nothing at the moment. It's very overcast and it's been raining all day. So I'm just topping up the batteries to get up to 100% so I can work all this evening. Now the kiosk is quite straightforward. Okay, they're pretty easy to use, but sometimes you've got to be patient because the coin mechanisms can be problems on occasions. So power it on. On the display will illuminate. You've got English, Dutch and Spanish on this one, and you can see that 24 hours is €9, and if you exceed that to the second day it's €20. If we flick that to English, just press the flag button, and then it will actually say to press 1 to park. You've got legal information and other information. Press 1, then it will go in, just enter your registration, validate it, and then you'll have the option to either put coins in or present your card. Straightforward and easy. The town has got facilities of, I think it's a Carrefour supermarket, and just over there I'm going to show you the actual beach that I came for. After a quick walk, you can see the beautiful estuary that we're on here. One of the reasons I come here is it's just so peaceful, and the whole beach is actually full of shells. There must be some great clams to be picked down here. I've never actually gone out onto the mud flats to see if I can get them, but I can see some people down the bottom here. And this is a great place if you do have animals with the camper, that you can really let them off the lead and give them a run. You've got the main town down the bottom, there's a supermarket, and there's a couple of restaurants close by, which are well worth having a look at. I did visit one last time and it was excellent food. Okay, I'm going to go down the beach because I think there's a bar down the bottom. So I'm going to see if I can get myself a nice early beer. Thanks very much indeed for watching this, and remember, while I'm travelling around Europe visiting all these domestic appliance sites, please remember that I will be doing reviews on all the locations that I stay in. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like the channel. Thanks very much.